Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be organizing my junky pantry. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Here is my very messy pantry. Everything is all over the place, so I'm gonna start by removing everything inside, wiping down the racks, and then I'm gonna put in the bins and the baskets that I bought from At Home and Family Dollar. Tell them what to do. Comment down below. Woo! Yeah! Mwah! This was pretty inexpensive. I purchased the wicker baskets from At Home for $14.99, the clear plastic bins from At Home for $5.99, and then the gray plastic bins from Family Dollar for $1. Baskets and bins can get very pricey sometimes, so I did make myself a budget. My budget was $100 and I did pretty good. I did not go over my budget, so I'm very proud of that. If you guys are looking for any baskets or bins for a reasonable price, check At Home, Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and Family Dollar. I already had the bins at the top with the noodles, the rice, and the crackers in. Eventually, I believe I'm going to change those just so they all will match. While doing this project, I actually realized that I needed more plastic bins than I thought. So I actually had to run to Family Dollar and get more bins. I got about 6 or 7 bins and they were $1 each. Thank you everyone for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video, and I will catch up with you guys on the next one.